Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, the use of green tea for fat loss is not something new. Weight loss supplements usually contain green leaf tea as one of the main ingredients. What is it that makes using tea for fat loss really effective? Before we jump into that, here are some things you should know. First. Green leaf tea is tea made from the leaves of Camellia sinensis. It originated from China, where it has been long recognized for its medicinal properties and have been used for treating several conditions like headache and depression. It is also known for helping in the prevention of cancer, lowering blood cholesterol levels, protecting against cardiovascular diseases, fighting infection, controlling blood sugar levels, and boosting the immune system. The health benefits are believed to come from its high polyphenol content. Polyphenols are plant chemicals that have powerful antioxidant properties. Polyphenols in green tea are known as catechins. In green leaf tea, there are 6 basic catechin compounds, with EGCG being the most active compound and the most extensively studied. It also contains alkaloids like caffeine, theophylline, and theobromine that are responsible for the stimulating effects of the tea. It also contains an amino acid compound called L-theanine, which has been studied for its value on producing a calming effect on the nervous system. When it comes to green tea for fat loss, green leaf tea extract has shown usefulness in boosting the body's metabolism and helps burn off fat. Some speculate that the value of green tea for fat loss is attributable to its caffeine content, but various studies suggest that this might be due to another compound, specifically the catechins in green tea extract.Now. That you know a little bit more about green tea and its role in weight loss. How do you take it so you can slim down fast? Green leaf tea extract can be taken by drinking the liquid extract from the leaves and leaf buds or through supplements. Usually, supplements contain dried tea leaves. Supplements are commonly preferred over drinking the tea itself, as some are unable to tolerate the taste. While taking supplements is okay, you need to be careful about which brand you buy. A multivitamin that contains green leaf tea is best to take, as the body needs other nutrients like vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, amino acids, cofactors, and enzymes too. Aside from giving the body the nutrients it needs, these ingredients also enhance the effect of green tea, so you can lose weight fast. Make sure that the brand you will buy makes use of standardized extracts of green tea and that no binders, fillers, and synthetic ingredients are used. An enteric coating in the supplement will also help, as this will prevent stomach acid from destroying some nutrients in the multivitamin. Of course, another important thing to remember is to take it as directed and to take it regularly for the health benefits to take effect.